Underwater shortly, guys. I mean, underway, sorry. Underwater was my last boat. But that's all beneath us now. I mean, behind us now, sorry. You know how you say one thing, but you really mean your mother? I mean another. All right, folks, looks like we are clear to go. All right, wave goodbye to the skippers at the dock here. Wave goodbye. Wave like you mean it, folks. You'll never see them again. And again, you never really saw them before to begin with, right? Folks, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being world famous. Now we're going to begin our adventure here at the Amazon rainforest. Here at the Amazon, it rains 365 days a year. That's almost every day. Also, if you notice around us, you'll see these big, beautiful butterflies. These butterflies have wingspans that range from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, they're the real rulers of the jungle. True monarchs, these guys. Also, the Amazon River contains 4 times more water than any other river in the world. And most of that water comes from big, beautiful waterfalls, like this one here. This one's called Inspiration Falls. It inspires us to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everyone say, ooh, ooh. Everyone say, ah, ah. You see, that's true inspiration if I ever heard it. And we're now entering into the Congo River. Let's just see how far this boat can go, huh? Also, really quick, guys, this right here is the top of the boat. This right here is the bottom of the boat. Now, if at any time during our journey the top becomes the bottom and it flips, you're going to swim. If you don't know how to swim, I'll toss you a couple of bars of soap so you guys can wash ashore. Now, I planned a nice welcoming party for you guys, but oh, this just looks like no one showed up. Just like my 16th birthday. I can't see anyone. Canoe? Looks like something might have scared them off. Did you guys see anything? Oh, snake! Oh, that's a giant 33-foot python there. His name's Monty. You know how you can tell that's a python and not a boa? No feathers. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, these guys have been monkeying around my camp, breaking everything I own. Now, I couldn't get that Jeep started this morning, but at least they got it to turn over. They might have used a monkey wrench. Or called AAA. Oh, we're now entering into the Nile River. Now, the Nile River is the longest river in the world. It's over 4,000 miles long. So it goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you might be in disbelief, but close. Oh, here's a large African bull elephant. You can tell by his large floppy ears there. Oh, right over in front of us here, you'll see a large sandstone formation. Now, some people take it for granted, but I think it rocks. That's one of the more bolder attractions here. Oh, here in the African belt, you'll see a wide variety of wildlife, including some giraffe, some zebra in the back there. Oh, there's a 1967 Impala. It's a little difficult for those lions to split up that zebra there. You know, you have your white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat. Oh my goodness, look at this. You ever seen anything like this in your entire life? How you like to be the low guy on that totem pole, huh? That's actually the Jungle Cruise band. See, they came out here looking for a new drum, but it looks like they found a horn instead. Oh, and that's my friend Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina. And the guy in the bottom there, his name is a Hontus. It looks like the rhino's trying to poke a Hontus. Oh, now, right up ahead, you'll see the wonderful Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls was named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. But don't worry too much about that now. We'll be going over it later. It's going to make a hard right here. Hard right, the guys in the back don't get here. But you feel that mist in your face? Kind of cool, kind of nice. There's like 900 tropical bacteria on that water. Little freebie we give you on Jungle Cruise there. Now, a lot of people ask me how did I land my job here as a skipper on Jungle Cruise, but I find it pretty plain to see. I took a crash course. and I've been winging it ever since. And that's the tail end of that story there. Uh-oh. Looks like we stumbled upon a hippo pool here, guys. Now, hippos might look cute and cuddly, but they're actually very dangerous. Hippos of this size have been known to sink boats just like this one here. But how many of you believe that the captain should go down with the ship? What's your name, ma'am? What is it? Lindsay. Everyone say hi to Captain Lindsay. She's the new captain on board. See, I'm a skipper, not a captain. I actually skip out the first sign of danger. Oh, looks like we're heading into headhunter territory here. I hear it's a very bad place to be headed. You could ask some of my last crew here. They finally got their heads together. They're a bunch of boneheads. Oh, here we got some natives that are dancing in a circular formation. Now, that can mean one of two things. They either lost the bathroom key, or they just don't know how to square dance. Uh-oh. Looks like the natives are... Looks like they're probably celebrating something. I'm not sure. Looks like I guess they're practicing their chase here. To throw or not to throw, that is the question. Alright guys, now this is it. This here is the moment you have all been waiting for. This here is the one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water! Now that's O2H right there, guys. That's O2H. Just don't try that at home, okay? You might hit the back of your head on the faucet. Don't ask me how I know that. Alright, we're now into the Mekong River. Now the Mekong is the deepest part of Cambodia. See, the Khmer Empire actually ruled over Southeast Asia for over 7 centuries. And they built major cities out of temples just like this one here. But it looks like this one's gone through an earthquake. But what do you guys say? You guys want to head on in? Yeah. Alright, we're going in, but keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you might find in a temple like this. Oh, wow. We have a dentist in the house. Looks like we're entering a root canal. Looks like we made it out of there. Oh, looks like we discovered a secret bathing pool with the Indian elephants here. Now, if you guys want to take pictures, go right ahead. They're all wearing their trunks right now. Oh, look at that big guy over there. He's been in the shower so long, he's all wrinkly. Oh, look at these cute little squirts over here. Playing with water. How adorable. So cute. But keep your eyes peeled, okay? Some of these elephants have been known to spray the boat with water. I hate for you guys to get wet. Hey, come on, keep it down. All right, he's down. I think we'll make it. I think we'll make it across here. Always come back up. Oh, be careful, you guys in the middle. You guys gonna get wet. I'm just kidding. I guess he ran out of trunk space. You know, some people think it's water coming out of their noses, but it's not. Oh, I'd like to point out some of my favorite plants on this side over here. Yeah, those are my favorites right there. Oh, now no jungle cruise would be complete without saying hello to my friend here. This here is a legendary man of the jungle, Trader Sam. Everyone say hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam.
See, Sam is the head businessman here, as you can see, but it seems like sales have been shrinking lately. Uh-oh, guys. All right, guys, now this is the most dangerous part of the journey here. The return to civilization. Now, folks, please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop. Also, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and elbows inside the boat at all times. All right, folks, now after an amazing journey with you guys, there's just one thing left to say. And I truly mean this from the bottom of my heart to the bottom of this very, very khaki boat. But it's also the same thing my parents told me on my 21st birthday. They turned to me and said, son, your free ride is over. Get out.